See, they're gung-ho on the fucking Erin Township, eh? That comes from Mel Whitney's out on the south side road of Erin. Well, just another episode of Holland TV. Sorry, bud. This is a bit of a pain to get out, but it's going to the scrapyard. Yes, the steel wheels might be worth a few bucks, but what are you gonna do? I ain't getting that off. It wouldn't be so hard to get off, but still. Probably still seized on there, and they gotta jack it up at the scrapyard, and I don't want to take their time. Just get the money for it. Be done with it. Time you find somebody to buy it, they suck. So, well, it's just Holland TV, and I just drug 2 old Chevy engines with the old Ford.
Hitter, yeah, I'm light skinned, but I'm still a dark. I'm a wig splitter, I'm a tall figure, I'm an unforgiving God.
It's a Holland TV exclusive. We got Zeck. Zeck, my friend. What's up, bud? Zeck. You hauling? We hauled here, eh? Friggin' Zeck, get on the trailer. Come on. Come on, Zeck. Come on. Yeah. Zecky, go get Kelly. Go get him.